Hello and welcome to the Daily Self-Love Podcast. I'm your host, CS Neha Bajaj. And I think this should be a reminder day again. Because you know what? We have developed this habit of always doing the critical analysis of ourselves. Of always raising that standard so high that rather than working on achieving that standard, all we do is to beat ourselves up. To constantly thinking within our mind, I'm not good enough. I lack this, I lack that, I'm not good for this particular thing, I'm not capable of achieving this, all the negativity. Even without you consciously doing that, that's encrypted within you. And so, these reminder episodes are going to help you consciously coming back to the positive aspect of your life. Of helping you to consciously focus on everything that is positive about you. Okay? And so, my very first message for all you people listening out to this particular episode is, be proud of yourself for fighting so hard for the person you want to become. And inculcate these small self-care habits. The very first important thing is a slow morning. When you don't feel like waking up, give yourself a break. Take that small little nap. Take that small little time to rest. Do not ignore the signals that your body is sending to you. Okay? So if you need that little break, take that little break. Have your slow morning, then wake up, have your cup of hot coffee or tea, whatever you like. Then is a very important thing to do. And this is what I call as morning routine. Which is, take time out for reflection. Write down in your journal. Write down what you are thinking, how you are feeling, what you want to achieve, what your dreams, your aspirations, everything. Just put it all together in that particular page of your journal book. And then, before ending this particular routine, make sure that you get ahead with day planning. How you are thinking of spending your entire day. Schedule important things. And try to do the work in a 2 to 2.5 hour slot. So let's say after every 2 hours, just take a 15 minutes small break. Not more than that. A 15 minutes break. Just walk, just breathe, relax, and then start with the next project that you want to do. Try to have some fun hobbies. Could be like listening to music, could be like painting, singing, anything. Try to clean up your office space, particularly. The space where you spend most of your time, that should be clean and tidy, because the energy around you is going to dictate the energy within you. With this, I'll sign off for now. See you in the next episode. Share the podcast. Please do that. Share the podcast among your friends. And till next time, stay happy, stay blessed, and stay self-loved.